Hello. Yesterday we discussed about mulching. So how you can do mulching in the pots or plant beds. So today we'll discuss one more way of mulching, and in this I will just provide you an example. So as you can see that this is a soil patch where lot of large trees are there. So this soil patch in our premises has a lot of trees, and since these are fully grown trees, they are quite on their own, so we don't need to water them or take care of them. So as you can see, there is almost no human activity in this patch. So what we do there, we just don't do anything. So just leaves fall there, and whatever leaves fall, they'll remain there. So we don't sweep the leaves off, or we don't do anything. The leaves all throughout the leaf fall season, leaves keep accumulating there, and when monsoons arrive, these leaves decompose, and those are all the nutrients and leaves go back to the soil. And so this patch has been absorbing all the leaf fall of these trees for years. Actually, when we discuss mulching, people always have apprehension about this. When we ask them not to disturb the leaves, let the leaves lie as it is. So people are apprehensive. What if snakes are there? Kids play nearby, so it's risky, and all apprehensions are valid. But in society premises, there always will be some spots where there is almost no human activity. So you can always find small spot. A size of the spot doesn't matter. But if you can identify such spots, then you can practice this type of mulching there. There is one more advantage, means the very obvious advantage is that lot of dry leaves get digested there. Second advantage is that the dry leaves contain carbon, and so these soil patches, since they have been accumulating a lot of dry leaves, these soil patches are very rich in carbon, and soil that has a good carbon content can absorb a lot of water. So if you create such patches in your society premises, then you will observe that even after heavy rainfall event, there is almost no runoff from these patches, or you won't see any puddling there. The soil is able to absorb a large quantity of water. So with this mulching patches, you are able to actually create many soak pits like this in your society itself. And going a step further, if you can plan these patches where there is natural slope, then all the water, after rainfall, all the runoff from that from the society premises can get accumulated in these patches, so that you will be able to prevent flooding in your society even after intense rainfall. So that is one more advantage of mulching. And best thing is that we don't want have to do anything, so you just leave that patch as it is, and nature will take care of it. So that's all for mulching. Tomorrow we'll discuss composting, and a few videos will be devoted to composting. And if you want to have some reading material for mulching, then I have provided a link to the guide in the post description. So please download it from the website and keep it as a ready reference for you. Thank you.